Hello students, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in the last lecture we covered how to write our first Java program, and in this lecture we are going to see how to write more than one class in a single program. So let us quickly open our notepad. So here I am going to write our program. So first we have to design a class. Suppose I am designing a class with named ABC. Inside that I am initializing a variable that is of int type, and in this class I am going to define a function, and this function will be called from our next class, which will contain the main function. So for that I am going to initialize a function that will be of void return type, that is going to return null. So suppose I am writing the function name as getAB, and inside that I am initializing a as 10, b as 20, and I will finish off the function. Then I will define a new method that is void show, and inside that I will print a message that is system.out.println. Inside that I will concat the string, that is I am printing the value of a, as well as I am printing the value of b. I will finish off the method. Then I will close off the class. Then I will declare one more class which contains the main method. Suppose I am writing class name as xyz, and inside that I am writing the main method as public static void main string args, and inside this xyz class I am going to create the object of ABC class, and through the object I am going to call the method that is getAB and show. So I will create the object. For creating object you have to write the class name as ABC, and object name I have written here object name as OB is equal to a new operator which is a predefined operator in Java, then class name. Now the object of the ABC class is created. Now through this object I am going to call the method that is getAB and show. So for that you have to write OB dot getAB and OB dot show. You can also use indentation, so I will be putting the indentation in my program. So I have completed with the indentations. You can check it out. Now I am going to save this program. So I will save this program as lecture3.java. Now we are going to run this program. For running we have to open the command prompt. So you have to open command prompt from address tab by writing cmd, and your command prompt will get opened. So here you have to compile your Java program. For that you have to write javac and your file name. I have given a file name as lecture3.java. So our program is successfully compiled. So now we will run our program. For running we have to write Java and the class name which is containing the main method. So in our program main method is under the xyz class, so we will going to write Java xyz and hit the enter button. You can see as our program is displaying the value of a and b, so we have got a value of a as 10 and b as 20. I hope you have understood the program. So in the upcoming videos we are going to cover more Java programs. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.